So, this last session is looking at electrical systems and energy storage, because that's a big question mark that everyone has. They have these things, well, wind is intermittent and therefore you must have batteries to store the energy. Well, yes and no, we'll see. So what we're going to do is look at different types of electrical systems, both on-grid and off-grid. We'll look at electrical storage technologies and different applications for those different technologies. There are two distinct types of electrical system when it comes to generation, and they are either off-grid, standalone systems, or if you like, island systems, and on-grid. And there are shades of grey in between. So for instance, when does a grid become a grid? So if you're a small group of islands interconnected, the Faroes, is that a grid or not a grid? You know, it's a small grid, that's what it is. All a grid is the interconnection of a series of generators. Traditionally, grid systems vary the amount of electricity being delivered, the generation, to match the amount of load that there is on the system. So there's as much going in as there is going out. And they do that to control frequency and voltage. If there's too much going in, then the frequency will start to rise. If there's too little going in, then the frequency will start to drop. So that's how they operate. However, in an off-grid system, often, unless you're using just a simple diesel generator, if you're using renewables, then often the generation is going to happen at times when you don't want the energy. And so you've therefore got to either dump that energy or change your load to match what's going on. And you could do either. And one way of doing it is to dump that electricity into energy storage so that you can use it later. And the classic one would be a PV street light. It's generating during the day, but you need the energy at night. So clearly the two don't match, you're going to have to store it.